The Honda City has always been a symbol of premium compact sedans in India, and the 2025 version takes that legacy forward with an all-new level of refinement and sophistication. Welcome to Zee AutoAdvisor, where today we take a deep dive into what makes the 2025 Honda City an even more desirable package for modern car buyers. Bold new design language. The 2025 Honda City introduces a sharper, more aerodynamic exterior design. With its aggressive front grille, sleeker LED headlamps, and redesigned bumpers, the new City now looks more dynamic and futuristic than ever. The new alloy wheels and strong shoulder lines give it a sportier road presence, making it hard to ignore on the streets. Interior comfort and technology. Step inside the 2025 Honda City and you're greeted with a premium, tech-loaded cabin. Soft touch materials, dual-tone interiors, and a newly designed dashboard layout offer a luxurious feel. The infotainment system now features a 10.25-inch touchscreen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Honda has also added ventilated seats, wireless charging, and a digital instrument cluster, making the City not just comfortable, but ultra-modern. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda City continues with its reliable 1.5 LIVTC petrol engine but now comes with hybrid assistance in higher variants for improved fuel efficiency. Power delivery is smooth, and whether paired with a 6-speed manual or the CVT gearbox, the driving experience remains refined. Honda's tuning ensures a perfect balance between city drivability and highway cruising comfort. Safety and ADAS features. Honda takes safety seriously, and the new City proves it. The 2025 model now comes with Honda Sensing Suite in top variants, offering advanced driver assistance systems like Lane Keep Assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Alongside 6 airbags, ABS, EBD, traction control, and a reinforced body structure, it makes the City one of the safest sedans in its class. Mileage and practicality. Fuel efficiency has always been a strong point of the City. The hybrid version now delivers an impressive mileage of up to 27 km per liter, while the petrol-only trims still return a solid 17 to 18 km/L. With a spacious 506-liter boot and ample legroom in both rows, the City remains a top pick for family buyers and urban professionals alike. Pricing and variants. The 2025 Honda City is offered in multiple variants, with prices starting around 12 Indian rupees lakh and going up to 17.5 Indian rupees lakh for the top-end hybrid trim. Whether you're looking for a feature-rich sedan or a fuel-efficient daily driver, there's a variant that fits your needs. Final verdict. The 2025 Honda City successfully blends elegance, technology, safety, and driving pleasure. Honda has managed to retain the essence of what made the City special, while upgrading it to meet the expectations of modern Indian car buyers. If you're in the market for a sedan that offers both heart and mind, City